In this example, we have a rectangle that we're going to be discussing, and its length and width are both going to be given by these monomial expressions, and they're both in meters. So let's go ahead and find the area of the rectangle. And how do we find the area of a rectangle? Well, we multiply the length by the width. So let's go ahead and multiply these two monomial expressions together and see what we end up with. Well, we know when we take meters times meters, we'll end up with meters squared, and that's going to be our units. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss how we can multiply these two monomials now. Let's talk about the coefficients first. So we have the square root of 3, and we're going to multiply that by 2 times the square root of 3. Well, the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, so this is just talking about these square root pieces, is going to be the square root of 9, or just 3. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. And then we have m and n, both for variables here. And when I'm multiplying like bases, I'll add their exponents. So looks like the exponent on this m will be a 1. So 2 plus 1 will be 3 for our m variable. And for our n variables, it looks like this guy's got a 1 for an exponent. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So it appears that the area then will be 6m cubed n to the 5th. And then we have meters squared for our units. So instead of just putting m squared for our units, because we've already got an m over here, we don't want there to be confusion. So we'll just go ahead and write out meters squared. And given the dimensions here for our rectangle, this will be the area.